Holy you startled me. Did you have a nap?
Yeah, I munched out.
You probably just sucked back like 47 twisted teas and then some dirty friggin' pizzas, eh? From the friggin', where'd you get those?
Little Caesars from the food bank.
Little Caesars. Little Caesars. Holy.
Bunch of food from the Good Shepherd in Sarnia.
How'd you cook it?
Boiled the water and I didn't cook
You
it.
cooked pizza by boiling the water?
There's oven.
Nice.
There's a little toaster oven there, so I just heat it up in that.
Oh, I apologize. I wasn't aware.
What are you doing?
So some of the guys noticed that you had a pair of jeans in there, but you still wear your jammy pants. What's up with that?
I don't have a belt, that's why.
Oh, so you got to use the yeah, that makes sense now. So, did you notice much fuel mileage?
Just more performance, actually.
Oh, it's just more performance?
A couple miles per gallon.
Oh, here, push it
Not
in.
much. Oh, excuse you.
Oh, pardon my Francis. Hey?
I noticed the performance because it hasn't had an oil change in like 30,000 kilometers. I don't know how long you go without oil changes, but
they just add more leaks all over the place.
I did that for the last couple of months because just add a couple quarts, but you still gotta change your oil filter and looks like you replace your motors a lot.
Just replace the motor instead. It's easier.
An oil change is pretty simple, right? Like,
is it?
Well, if you want to keep replacing a motor ain't cheap, right? A motor could be like $3,500 used, right?
Holy.
10 grand for like a newly used motor, right?
Where are you getting your motors?
Well, a used motor, obviously, in like a newish car or pickup truck is obviously gonna be like more than an old motor with like 300,000 on it, obviously.
So the other night when you came over and you were going on and on and on and on about changing your oil and how much better your fuel economy and everything was going to be, you were just making me listen to that for no reason.
No, I do get better performance and shit, and yeah, maybe I might get a couple miles per gallon. Obviously, when any car has fresh or engine has fresh oil, the car motor's gonna operate more efficiently, right? Because the older motors has all the contaminants.
What about breathing better? You were saying something about it breathing better. Does it breathe better now?
Better acceleration, yeah.
So there's more breathe?
Well, it's Royal Purple, right? It's a high performance. It's race. People use that Royal Purple to race in cars in them, like, and then they just change them after, right? But
so is it like, does it help it breathe?
Oh yeah.
Nice.
I've ran Royal Purple in that car for about 5 years now, so.
And ever since then.
And you can go a little longer without oil changes, but it's expensive. It's like $18 a quart, so. My oil change, like, I'd usually just pay I had a good mechanic, he'd charge me like $35 just to change the oil.
How much would you charge him? 1,800?
No, he'd charge me like $35 for an oil change, obviously. But
holy.
I had nowhere to change it. And
I was going to try to charge you 80.
Most people would just fucking have a coffee and just have people change their whole oil, right?
Holy dude, I f***ed up big time.
What did you do?
Well, I'm just not very good at. I don't think very good, and you know, stuff like that. That is fucking straight big time. Holy shit. Wow. The amount of straightness. The amount of straightness that I achieved on this here friggin' rocker panel is just existential. Just friggin' existential, boys. Should I shunt you so you try to believe me? Try to friggin' sant this down the pipe there. Did you send this before? I can't even tell if I'm really even getting the shot, but can you send this like down the pipe? Like not the pipe, but like up here. On like the actual truck. The front to the back. Like the transition and whatnot. Are you able to eyeball it and stuff? But yeah, man, couldn't really be any better than that. Freaking probably have to get freaking stink finger to finish it for me though, because it's starting to get hard. What?
Fucking stink. What am I gonna do?
Finish this truck. Finish fixing it. Are you smelling your fingers again? Oh fuck! Oh yeah, that reminds me. We got to do like finger smelling, but like review our fingers, but it'll be like wine reviews. Like we'll be sitting there, we'll go like this, right? We'll be like, and be like, oh, it's got some nutty hues, eh? It's a corn base with some nutty hues into it.
Did you put that bar in there for the rocker? That's your new rocker?
Yep, that's my new rocker.
Nice. So you put that bar right in there? That looks like a brand new rocker.
Give them a sniff, boys. Tell me what you think. I've been working
Making progress.
Check this out. Somebody did art. Like you're already fucking famous, eh? Do you know that?
No.
What do you mean? Look, dude. You know what that is? You know what that is?
Looks like somebody giving the middle finger except the other finger.
It looks like somebody giving the middle finger.
It's not the
except
middle
other
finger. You're just like gross.
Yeah. That's what that looks like. So this looks like somebody giving the middle finger to Buddy. That's some art from Home Pug Life Entertainment or something on Facebook there, but that's clearly a stink finger. It just reeked coming off it big time. It's like a Ricky the Cigarette finger. Did I ever tell you about that? Oh, did you find a butt?
Roach on the floor.
Oh, nice.
I was actually gonna ask you for a bud just
like grabbing grubs.
For later.
Just grabbing
I got
a
no
dirty
weed left.
grub. Eh?
I got one cigarette left. So.
Just grabbing grubs off the floor. But
it's not like you're gonna eat. I see roaches here that look like they're like 5 years old. It's not like you're gonna use them.
Oh, it's chewy. It's got like a full body. Eh? What do you mean?
I'm not sniffing it. Oh.
Come on, dude. It's like an earthy. It's got earthy flavors into it.
That's like you sniffing my fingers.
Oh, yeah. Yours would be the spicy one, eh? Yeah. It's like a cinnamon clover or pepper. But
how do you know if I wiped my ass and I didn't in the porta potty and just forgot to put the hand sanitizer on?
Well, I am pretty friggin' certain that if you were to test your fingers, they would come back 176% positive for poop. For human feces, bud. Eh? Human feces.
It's not like alcohol where you're actually getting carried on smoking a right? But now alcohol is sold everywhere now. It was never like that.
Holy dudes. Wow. That works.
Have you ever made like
so totally good
moonshine before?
Really? Right on the money. Check that out. Hardly even denounced. I mean, that's way good enough for Inwood. Like, big time. Brought that all right into alignment. Friggin' decent. Friggin' decent, buddy. Buddy.
Right on. The winter time's just like and stay inside basically for 3 months. Hibernate like all the other, most stay-at-homes do, right?
This French wheel, I was telling you about that already.
I just ate like a whole little Caesars and some crazy bread. Like, fuck. And that's what just made me pass out. Like, I had was when you smoke weed, right? And get
being
the
a
munchies.
recipient must be absolutely awesome, eh? Like, you just friggin' like eat pizza and drink friggin' twisted teas and have fucking cigarettes and joints. Fuck yeah.
Why not?
Like, this is bullshit.
You get to smoke joints all day anyways.
I don't just get to just sit in a fucking trailer, just create a bunch of stink and just get free money every fucking month to just buy fucking liquor and joints and fucking cigarettes. That would be awesome. Right? That would be awesome. You're lucky as fuck. Oh